In this video, we're going to build an expert advisor that opens a trade based purely on time, specifically at 10 AM UK time. Time-based entries are used in a few strategy models, and while this example is very basic, it's a good demonstration of how to trigger trades using local time without relying on indicators or price action. This EA will open one trade per day at the same exact time, regardless of market direction. So let's get started by opening the meta editor. We click the IDE icon inside the MetaTrader. Now select New, Expert Advisor from Template, and then click Next. You'll now need to give your EA a name. I'll call mine Time-Based Strategy, but you can name yours whatever you like. Once you've done that, click Next, Next again, and Finish. Now we need to clean up the template, remove everything above the onTick function as well as the two comment lines at the bottom so we can start with a clean slate. Now we begin by including the trade library, then we create an instance of the CTrade class. Now before placing a trade we need the current ask price. We get it by using normalized double, symbol info double underscore digits. This pulls the live ask price for the chart symbol and formats it according to the number of digits, whether it's a 3-digit or 5-digit instrument. Now we want to capture the current local time. This gives us the time of your PC, so you don't need to deal with time zone conversions. We only actually care about the hours and minutes, not the full date. So to extract those, we use string formatted time equals time to string, time minutes. And now we need to add our logic. So if there are no open positions and the formatted time starts with 10 AM, we'll place a buy trade. We use trade.buy. This opens a buy position using 0.1 lots at the current ask price. No stop loss is used in this example, and the take profit is placed 100 points above the entry price. Again, this is just a simple demonstration, not a full strategy, so only test it on a demo account. Now that we've done that, we can click compile. If you followed along correctly, you should have no errors and no warnings. Return back to MT5. We open the strategy tester, click view strategy tester, and select the file that we have just created. Make sure that the visualization mode is enabled and then click start. You should now see a trade triggered at exactly 10 AM based on the time string that you've defined. And that's it. You've just built a basic time triggered EA in MQL5. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.